Welcome. This video I'll show you how to enable predecessors here in Smartsheet. Right, start by opening up one of your sheets, and then once you're in here, just right click any column. Okay, right click and then just click on Edit Project Settings. Click on it, and under Dependency Settings, make sure that under, again, Dependencies, this tick box is clicked. And it says here, Duration and Predecessors columns have been added to the sheet. There you go. Hit on OK. Now what you do next is to set a predecessor. Okay. So again, in the predecessor column, for the task, okay, type the row number of the task that must be completed before the current task can start. So for example, if task 1 right here is a predecessor to task 2, well, you would type 1 in here in the predecessor cell for task 2. All right, type 1, hit on enter, and there you have it. You could also edit the relationship type, for example, finish to start, and add a lag time, okay, if you want to, by just clicking on the cell and then the pencil icon in here. And there you have it. The type, finish to start, finish to finish, start to start, start to finish. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on OK and you're good to go. That is it. That is how you enable predecessors here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.